Let's look at number 5 then. 1 3/5 of 220. How do we do this? This is a mixed number. So we need to press shift and fraction in order to get the whole number in. So we key in the whole number, which is 1, and then the arrow to the right to get to the next stage, which is the numerator, 3. Then we need to move to the denominator, so we press the arrow down to the denominator, which is 5. And we press the times. In order to do that, we have to press the arrow to the next stage, and we press times. And we times 220. So we key in 220. And what do we get? 352. Now, if you are not sure at any stage, you can press the rewind button and start again.